I hope you all are doing amazing. So today in this video I am going to show you a product in which you can carry your cosmetics wherever you go. So without any further ado, let's roll into the video. Show you this amazing bag, and in this bag you can literally carry multiple cosmetics. Let's see how you can pack and unpack this bag. So let's see. So this is the way you can see the bag looks. This is really amazing, and once you open this knot, this bag untie. I already loosened it quite, so it got really open very easily, but you can actually tie it properly because the proper knotting is given over here, and then you just have to open it in this way. So here are several pockets. Here is one pocket and many several pockets. So let's see how you can actually pack your products in this bag. So here we start. Here you can see I am opening this bag, and I have already kept few lipsticks and stuffs like we commonly use for our day-to-day makeup. The main purpose of designing this bag is basically having an idea to carry minimal amount of makeup for your day-to-day use. That's what I said. But if you want to carry like a huge makeup and you are a makeup artist and want to carry, though, definitely you have separate bags and stuff for that. But this is for the common people who actually try us out with different things and wish to carry stuff with them because they have to stay a long time out. So yeah, this bag is really pretty. This is really fun because it opens up easily. You can just keep it open and then you can take out your products and apply. So it can actually hold a lot of stuffs. So this bag is available on our page on Instagram. You can go straight over there and put a DM and you can buy this. Even we are on for customization as well according to your specific requirements, and I hope you like this. This is really amazing. Oh yes, one more thing, do not forget to visit our social media handle on Instagram and Facebook in the name Shree. This was the video. I hope you liked it. This is the bag. I really enjoyed designing this, and I hope this comes really very useful to you all makeup lovers. You can actually hold a lot of makeup as I shown you in the video. Actually this bag can carry a lot of makeup, which is not even necessary to carry so much, but you can actually hold on that much of stuff inside this beautiful bag. So you can order this bag and the link is given in the description below. Go there and put up your order. If you like this video, make sure that you like, comment, share, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and definitely do not forget to press the bell icon to get notified every time when I come up with a new video. Until for the next time, take care. We deliver all over India, and wherever you are, no matter, you can place an order and we deliver straight away to your doorstep. One more thing, if you haven't yet watched my previous video which I made on how to set up a workshop, so you can watch it. The video is on my channel, and also I have given the link in my description below. So if you're someone looking up to set up your own workshop, if you're a designer or a budding designer or want to be a designer, so this video is really going to help you. And if you're looking for more informative videos and more such amazing content, make sure that you subscribe to Shree. Thank you for watching.